What is up, everybody? Today, we're diving into the wildest side of crypto, meme coins that could make you a millionaire. You've seen the stories, people turning $100 into $1 million overnight with meme coins, but with thousands of new coins launching daily. How do you spot the next Dogecoin or Shiba Inu? I spent weeks researching, talking to experts and digging through the craziest projects to find the real hidden gems. We've narrowed it down to the top 8 meme coins with explosive potential for 2026. I'm putting my own money into each one, no paper trading here. Let's jump in and see which coins could change everything. First up is Apeing, ticker Apeing, the meme coin that's already going viral and making serious waves in the crypto jungle. In just a short time, it's managed to capture the attention of both seasoned investors and newcomers alike, all eager to see what the hype is about. This isn't just another animal coin, it's a movement. The energy around Apeing is electric, with people from all walks of life joining in, sharing memes, and fueling the excitement. The Ape Army is everywhere, dominating X and Telegram. Their online presence is impossible to ignore, and the community is growing by the hour, with new members joining the conversation every day. What sets Apeing apart? Flawless branding, a passionate community, and a roadmap focused on viral growth. Every detail from the logo to the merch is designed to stand out and attract attention. They're not pretending to be a utility token, they're embracing the meme, and it's working. The humor and creativity behind Apeing are drawing people in, making it more than just a coin. It's a cultural phenomenon. Tokenomics are built for growth, with big rewards for the community and marketing. The structure is designed to reward holders and incentivize spreading the word, fueling even more momentum. The devs are active and transparent, and early investors are already seeing wild returns. Regular updates and open communication have built trust, and the price action so far has been impressive. The hype is organic, not just paid ads, which is a huge green flag. Influencers and crypto enthusiasts are talking about Apeing because they genuinely believe in its potential. I bought $10,000 of Apeing to track its journey. I want to see firsthand if this coin can live up to the buzz and deliver real results. This is a calculated bet on energy, community, and meme power. The combination of hype wiper, and strong community support could be the recipe for something big. If you want a shot at the next big thing, Apeing should be on your radar. It's still early, and the potential upside is massive if the momentum continues. Let's see if this one can really go the distance. The race is just getting started, and Apeing is already off to a blazing start. On to the next contender. Next is Dogeverse, a meme coin that's breaking boundaries as the first truly multi-chain project. Meet Cosmo the Doge, the mascot who jumps between blockchains, Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Solana, Avalanche, and Base. Most coins are stuck on one chain, but Dogeverse is everywhere, making it accessible to all crypto communities. Their pre-sale raised millions fast, proving massive demand for a multi-chain meme coin. Staking rewards for early buyers encourage holding and price stability. The team is thinking long-term, not just about launch hype. I'm putting $10,000 into Dogeverse because if they pull this off, it could set a new standard for meme coins. This is a big gamble on a big idea. If Dogeverse unites the crypto world, it could be a game changer. Multi-chain is the future. Let's see if Dogeverse leads the way. Ready for the next pick? Let's go. Third on the list, WienerAI, the AI-powered sausage dog meme coin. It's weird, it's hilarious, and it's got real utility, an AI trading bot that helps holders find the next big crypto trades. Ask the AI for meme coin picks, and it scans the market for you. This blend of meme culture and AI is genius. Two of the hottest trends in one project. The Sausage Army community is growing fast, and the memes are top tier. Staking rewards keep holders engaged, and the price floor strong. I'm betting $10,000 on WienerAI, because it's more than a joke. It's a tool for smarter trading. In crypto, the absurd often wins, and this project has both branding and utility. Can a sausage dog with a computer brain go viral? We're about to find out. Next up, the funniest coin on Solana. Stay tuned. Let's keep rolling. Now, let's talk Solana, home to some of the wildest meme coins. Meet Solana, the chubby chip-eating seal living in his mom's basement, hunting for the next Solana moonshot. The branding is hilarious and instantly relatable to every degenerate trader out there. Solana's send a wallet pre-sale made it super easy for anyone to join. Just send SOL, get SEAL. This simple approach created viral buzz and a massive community before launch. There's no complex roadmap, just pure meme power and community strength. Solana's proven this formula works and Solana could be the next breakout. I'm in for $10,000 betting on humor, relatability, and the Solana meme coin magic. Sometimes the best investments are the ones that make you laugh. Can this seal make it to the moon? We'll see. Next up, a sloth with serious chill. Sticking with Solana, let's meet Slothana, the office sloth who ditched his 9-to-5 for crypto and a chill, 420 friendly lifestyle. Slothana's send-to-wallet pre-sale raised over $15 million, proof that simple fun launches work. The community is all about patience, holding, and enjoying the ride. No stress, just vibes. The branding is spot on, a red-eyed sloth dreaming of crypto millions. Viral memes and clever marketing have made Slothana a social media hit. There's no utility here, just pure meme coin energy and a massive, engaged community. I'm putting $10,000 into Slothana, betting on the power of simplicity and a laid-back attitude. Can a lazy sloth outpace the competition? The pre-sale numbers say yes. This is one of the most hyped launches of the year. Let's see if the sloth can climb to the top. On to the next big upgrade. Next, Dogecoin 20, a modern take on the world's most famous meme coin. It's not an official sequel, but it fixes Dogecoin's biggest flaw: infinite supply. Dogecoin 20 has a fixed supply, creating real scarcity and value potential. Built on Ethereum, it offers staking, so you can earn passive income just by holding. The project keeps the do-only good everyday spirit but adds serious tokenomics. Name recognition gives it a huge marketing edge, and the pre-sale was a massive success. People want a better Dogecoin, and this could be it. I'm investing $10,000 in Dogecoin 20, a bet that a legendary brand with better fundamentals can go even bigger. If it captures even a fraction of the original's magic, the upside is huge. Can you teach an old dog new tricks? We're about to find out. Next, a comeback story. Number 7 is Sponge V2. The comeback kid of meme coins, and a project that's turning heads across the crypto world. In a space where hype comes and goes, Sponge V2 is making a real case for a second act, and it's not just about the memes anymore. The original Sponge token did a jaw-dropping 100x in 2023, making early investors very happy. But the team wasn't satisfied with just a quick pump and dump. They wanted to build something lasting, something that could stand out in a crowded market. Sponge V2 rewards loyal holders by letting them stake their V1 tokens in exchange for V2, effectively bridging the gap between the old and new communities. This approach not only honors early supporters, but also brings fresh energy and new faces into the project. The big upgrade? A play-to-earn racing game, which gives the token real-world utility and a compelling reason to hold. Now holders can actually use their tokens in a fun, interactive way, earning rewards while playing and engaging with the community. The team behind Sponge V2 has a proven track record, major exchange listings, a huge and passionate community, and some of the smartest marketing moves in the meme coin space. Their experience is a big reason why so many are paying attention. The stake-to-bridge model is truly innovative, rewarding early believers and building long-term value for everyone involved. It's a clever way to keep the ecosystem healthy and growing, while also incentivizing loyalty. That's why I'm putting $10,000 into Sponge V2, betting on a team that's already delivered a 100x and is now adding real, tangible utility. It's a bold move, but the fundamentals are stronger than ever. Comeback stories are powerful in crypto, and this one has all the right ingredients: innovation, community, and a clear vision for the future. It's the kind of narrative that gets people excited and brings new momentum. With a highly anticipated game on the way, another explosive run could be just around the corner. The buzz is building, and the community is more active than ever. Will Sponge V2 make history again and become the comeback story of the year? Only time will tell, but all eyes are on this project right now. Let's watch and see. Last but not least, the AI experiment. Stay tuned for what's next. Our final pick is Turbo, the world's first meme coin created almost entirely by artificial intelligence. This isn't just another crypto project, it's a bold experiment that's rewriting the rules of what's possible in the digital asset space. Digital artist Rhett Mankind harnessed the power of GPT-4 to name the coin, design its quirky mascot, write the smart contract, and even plan out the marketing strategy, all with a shoestring budget of just $69. Every step was guided by AI, making Turbo a true product of machine creativity. The entire process was fully transparent, documented in real time on social media, and quickly went viral. Turbo became a public experiment in AI-powered crypto, capturing the imagination of both tech enthusiasts and meme lovers worldwide. Soon, the Turbonauts community took the reins, driving marketing, spreading the word, and fueling growth in a truly decentralized, grassroots way. It was a movement powered by collective energy and creativity. Turbo's meteoric rise to a $50 million market cap stunned the crypto world, proving the power of a compelling story, a passionate community, and the viral potential of meme culture. The project stands as a living case study in the intersection of AI, decentralization, and internet meme culture, showing how technology and community can create something truly unique. That's why I'm investing $10,000 in Turbo, not just for the coin itself, but for the groundbreaking story, the innovative use of AI, and the vibrant, engaged community behind it. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, Turbo could be the beginning of a whole new wave of AI-generated assets, inspiring future projects and changing how we think about value creation in crypto. This is truly one for the history books, a milestone in both technology and culture that we'll look back on for years to come. 8 coins, $80,000 invested. What happens next? Let's wrap it up and see where this journey takes us. That's it. 8 meme coins, $80,000 on the line, and a portfolio that could go to the moon or crash and burn. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Crypto is risky, so do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Which project are you most excited about? Did I miss any hidden gems? Drop your picks in the comments. If you want to follow my $80,000 meme coin challenge, smash that like button and subscribe with notifications on. I'll be posting updates and covering the latest in crypto, so you don't want to miss what happens next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Let's see if we can find the next 1000x together.